Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm change the intake to a cold air intake. Now for you guys that doesn't know is that this entire plastic thing is the intake actually, and the filter is actually underneath the intake, like right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove this right here and remove this, and then use this tubing, which is actually really convenient. And here's the filter. You know, all of this are cheap stuff. I won't do a full expensive blow on $500 plus on it. And I'm gonna have this to have something to eat while working on the car. Damn, my hand's already getting dirty. Well, without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with removing everything from here. First thing you gotta do is there's a clip right there inside, right there. Wait, can I show it? Right there, you see the clip is right there. Let's see, will it focus? Right there. And that's the air sensor. I think I don't know a lot about Golfs and Volkswagen cars, but you're gonna remove that sensor first. It's a clip that when you take the sensor in, above the sensor there's a clip sticking out. You gotta click that clip down to remove the sensor, and then you gotta remove this tubing. I don't know what tubing this is, but you gotta remove it. So let's start with this. I think mine clip is already destroyed, so I think that you can just pull it out. Yeah, mine is already destroyed, but there's no difference if it's destroyed or not. And the tubing right there. After that, if I can angle it correctly, there you go. The oil lock plug or whatever, you need to remove it. There we go. When you're done with that, oh yeah, I forgot. You gotta remove the intake also. There we go. Come on, it's almost out. It's stuck somewhere, it's stuck down here. There you go, finally. Damn. It's like the hardest intake for me to remove. And now the last step is that this intake or cover aren't held by bolts. It's like stuff that, like it's, you will see. Just drag it up like this. Jesus Christ, I can't explain nothing, man. From all sides, maybe stiff, but don't worry. There you go. And there you have the cover off. And as you can see here, actually, this right here is the filter. See, this is the filter right there. There's the air intake. And see, this is the tubing that the air was going through. Now we're gonna install the cold air. Here's the tube. Now I've noticed that the tube is much bigger than the intake itself. Alright, so the plan was to have it like this, but I can see now that the plan will not work exactly as I intended, because the tubing is not as big. We need a small diameter to a bigger diameter. Alright guys, now when we're done, you can see that there's something sticking out from there, and it's because I took one of these, you know, a holder for drill bits. I cut it and yeah, put it right there, and it's pretty stiff. Alright, there we go. Sneak add it right there, and I could see a problem immediately. Wait a minute, what if I drop it down even more? Oh, that's what I'm talking about. This would be great enough. Alright guys, I put the metal part here, and we're just going to insert it in here now. Go, let me just fix it real quick. Go. Please, just go. Alright, finally guys. Oh my god. The air will come in from here, in there, out of air, in there, and into the engine. Let's go out and test the engine, guys. Well, everything works as it should. I'm just going to drive around like 10 minutes or so and see if this will get hot, because you can see it's rubbing towards it. Let's go take it for a ride. Alright guys, this is the next day of me installing this, and I would say it gave me extremely more power. Like the car felt like, I don't know, like actually 160 horsepower, but after I installed this, it felt like 130. Like I'm maybe over-exaggerating, I know, but honestly, like this car literally is powerful after I installed this. Like the amount of space the air intake had before this was like a fourth of this bit. This is not the end, guys. I'm honestly thinking of installing a electric turbo, but that is basically with a push of a button, it will force air inside the engine. I'll put it with the gas pedal. So the moment I rev it up, it will force some air inside the engine. That's what I would do. And bro, it's going to be so fun, but I just need help, and that's from you guys. I need your support with it. So please, before I start buying stuff here and there, I need your help. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my videos. And yeah, that's what the kind of support I want. So the moment I see that you guys are supporting me more, the more I'm going to do with this car, because I do actually want to upgrade this car. I do want to make it much better. I do want to make it much stronger. Although it is a 1.6, I'm actually thinking of making my own, what do you call it? You know, the 1.6, convert that to a 4.1 or something close to that, give or take. I'm really interested in doing it, and I have all the necessary. I have everything that I need. I have a welder. I can weld myself a metallic box that houses 4 liters of air. And this engine, guys, this engine is healthy. I'm telling you, it has been driven like look how much. 326,855 kilometers, and I'm the 21st owner. But this engine actually is alive. That makes me think that everyone that owned this car wasn't like interested in driving at all, or just used it as A to B, or was driven by old people. So I am really lucky to purchasing this car. The only problem is that it's front wheel drive, but hey, in the summer, no problem. But as you can see, it's snowy outside. So guys, please again, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my videos. And give me a comment if I'm doing the right thing here to this poor Volkswagen Golf. But no further ado, stay safe everybody.